In this video, you'll learn how to edit text in Webflow. This guide will walk you through the necessary steps to make changes to your website's text effortlessly. By the end of this tutorial, you will be able to modify text elements in your Webflow project. Begin by navigating to the Webflow website, open your preferred web browser, and enter the URL for Webflow. Once the page has fully loaded, you will see the Webflow dashboard. This is where you can access all of your projects and sites. Next, locate the section labeled Sites on the dashboard. Click on this section to view a list of all the sites associated with your account. Take a moment to review the sites displayed to identify the one you wish to edit. The correct site should be clearly listed with its name and possibly a thumbnail image. Once you've identified the desired site, click on it to select it. After clicking, you will see an option labeled Open in Webflow. Click this button to launch the Webflow editor. This action will redirect you to the Webflow editor interface, which allows you to make changes to your site's elements. After the editor loads, find the text element you want to edit, click directly on the text to select it. The selected text will typically be highlighted, indicating that it is ready for editing. This visual feedback ensures you are interacting with the correct element. To edit the text, double-click on the selected text element. This action will activate the text editing mode, allowing you to modify the content. You should now see a blinking cursor within the text, indicating that you can begin typing. Now, type in the new text you want to replace the existing content with. As you type, the changes will be reflected immediately in the editor. Keep in mind that any modifications you make here will be visible to your website visitors once published. After you finish editing, ensure that your changes are saved. You may need to click a Save or Publish button to confirm your updates. If you're working with a larger site or a slow internet connection, you should allow time for your changes to be processed before navigating away from the editor. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.